Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Prep for Mechanical. Today we will learn to derive an equation to calculate elongation due to self-weight. For this, we have considered a body of length L with cross-sectional area A being hanged vertically with one end fixed. So length of the body is equals to L, cross sectional area is equals to A, and the weight per unit volume of the body is W. To calculate elongation, we have considered an elemental length dy which is at a distance of y from the bottom. To calculate elongation, we will calculate first the elongation in the elements and then we will integrate to get the elongation in the whole length. Load on elemental length is P equals to W into A into Y, because load on elemental length is equals to the weight of the volume below the elemental length. So stress on elemental length will be equals to W into A into Y divided by A. So stress is equals to W into Y. We know that for elongation dl is equals to P into L divided by A into E, where P is load, L is length and A is cross sectional area, E is Young's modulus of the body. For elemental length, elongation delta L will be equals to P by A is equals to W into Y and L is equals to dy divided by E. So for the whole length, elongation delta L will be equals to the integration with limit 0 to L W into Y into dy by E, and this will be equals to W into Y square by 2E. So for elongation equals to W into L square divided by 2E. A formula for elongation due to self weight will be WL square divided by 2E.